Welcome to our tutorial video. We will guide you through the easiest way to integrate our multi-platform Flutter Chat UIKit from scratch. First, let's set up an application in the console. Head over to the console of trtc.io and create an account. Next, create an application on the homepage and start your free trial. Once you've created your application, select it to find your SDK app ID to note down. Next, let's create two users which used as test accounts on console. For instance, we can name them, says user 1 and user 2. After that, navigate to the user sig tools and generate user sigs for these users. So by now, you should have the SDK app ID and the two sets of user ID and user sig. Don't forget to note them down as we'll need them later. With the console setup complete, let's dive into some happy coding and start by integrating the Flutter Chat UIKit. First things first, it's best to have a Flutter project ready or create a new one to fully experience this tutorial. So, let's create a new one together. Now we have a Flutter project. First, we need to import the Chat UIKit packages, starting by the base package, Tencent Cloud Chat. Next, import the UI component packages that suit your needs. For demonstration purposes, we suggest importing all of them. Actually, in real-world projects, you can import packages based on your specific requirements. Great! We have successfully imported the necessary packages and now ready to start coding. Before diving into each modular package UI component, there are some preliminary steps required to launch the chat service. First, replace your project's Material app by Tencent Cloud Chat Material app. This enables automatic management and configuration of settings. If you prefer manual configuration, refer to Implement the global configuration for UIKit manually. Next, we need to initialize and log in to the chat service. This can be done by calling Tencent Cloud Chat.controller.init UIKit. For example, we can place this in the init state method. Simply input the SDK app ID, user ID, and user sig of your Tencent Cloud Chat application that we noted down earlier, and importing all of the necessary files based on the IDE's instructions. Now, we've successfully set up the chat core service and ready to integrate the modular UI components. With the modular UI components designed for automatic navigation, our focus is simply on manually adding the Tencent Cloud Chat conversation and Tencent Cloud Chat contact components. Store the instances of Tencent Cloud Chat conversation and Tencent Cloud Chat contact in the pages array. Finally, modify the build method based on the code we provided in the doc. To access these codes, just scan the QR code on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully integrated the components. Now, let's run the project and experience the Flutter Chat UIKit. Starting by Run with Flutter Run. Once you've successfully entered the app, you'll see the conversation and contact pages. However, there are no conversations to test yet. Switch to the Contacts page. Click Add Contact in the top right corner and add the other test account as a contact. You'll now see the other account in the contacts list. Click on the contact to start chatting. Now we've completed the entire simplified integration process. Welcome to freely experience our Tencent Cloud Flutter Chat UIKit product. Don't miss out on exclusive content. Follow us.